Hello future engineers, subscribers, viewers, and students. Here is another video in beautiful and challenge problem in calculus about work done in pumping the liquid out to certain outlet. So here the problems will be read on the next slide. So here is the problem. Determine the work done required to pump water out of the full tank if the outlet is 60 centimeters above the top of the tank and the tank has vertical isosceles trapezoidal ends 4 meters across the top, 1 meter across the bottom, 3 meters high, and 6 meters long. Then here is another problem B. If 5.425 kilojoules of work has been done in pumping out water to the top of the tank. The outlet is at the top of the tank in the shape of a paraboloid of revolution 2.4 meters across the top and 1.2 meters high. What is the depth of water remaining in the tank? So that's the problem. For the first one, we have a tank with vertical ends horizontally laid 1 4 meters across the top, 1 meter across the bottom, 3 meters high, and 6 meters long. So for our slab, so that would be the slab we have by similar triangles. H as to 1 equals H plus 3 as to 4. So that means H is 1 meter. So that's the slab. Call that 1 meter. So the dimensions, we have X, call that Y. Then area S would be equal to 6 meters by x, so 6x area S. So by integration, volume equals specific weight of water 9.81 times differential volume, which is 6x dy, times distance to the point of disposal, distance of the centroid of the slab to the point of disposal, because that is 3 and zero point 0.6, so 3.6 minus y. So work equals integral 0 to 3 limits, specific weight of water 9.81, differential volume area S dy, area S 6x dy, and distance of the center of gravity of the slab to the point of disposal is 3 plus zero point 0.6, 3.6 minus y. So replacing x by similar triangles, x as to y plus 1 because h is 1, x as to y plus 1 equals 1 as to h, where h is also 1. So therefore x is y plus 1. Replacing x here by y plus 1, and 9.81 times 6 is 58.86, integral from 0 to 3 of x, y plus 1, then distance 3.6 minus y dy. Again, you can distribute and evaluate the integral conveniently by the power formula. I leave that to you. For those who are allowed to use their high-tech calculator, evaluate that using the high-tech calculator, and the work is equal to 794.6 kilonewton meter. For the second solution, imagine that the tank is divided into a tank with rectangular ends and triangular end. The dimension of the rectangular end would be 1 meter base, 3 meters high, while the triangular end is 3 meters high, then the base is 4 minus 1, 3 meters. And volume is simply area of the end times 6. So for the rectangular part, 1 by 3 times 6, that's the volume. For the triangular part, 1 half of 1 half of 3, 4 minus 1 is 3, base height is also 3, then times 6, that's the volume. For the rectangular end, the distance of each centroid to the point of disposal is half of 3, 1.5 plus zero point 0.6, so 2.1. For the triangular end or triangular tank, the distance of the centroid is 1/3 of 3, so 1 plus 0.6, that's 1.6. So work equals specific weight, 9.81 times volume. For volume 1, 1 by 3 by 6. So work 9.81 times 1 times 3 times 6, that's the volume of the rectangular part. Then distance to the point of disposal, half of 3 is 1.5 plus zero point 0.6. So that's why you have 2.1 here. For the triangular end with 3 meters base, 3 meters high, 9.81 times volume, which is area of the triangle, times 6. Area of triangle is 1/2 of upper base 3, where that upper base 3 is 4 minus 1. Take note of that. Then height 3, length perpendicular to the screen 6. So that's the volume of the tank with triangular ends. Then the distance to the point of disposal, because the centroid of triangle is 1/3 of the height, 1/3 of 3 is 1, plus 0.6, so 1.6. Calculating, it is also 794.6 kilonewton meter. Then for part B, we have a parabolic tank. The point of disposal this time is on the top level. So 2.4 across the top, so 1.2, 1.2, 1.2 meters deep. So this is the slab XX. Then by squared property of parabola, y as to x square equals 1.2 as to 1.2 square. So work is integral because the work that has been done in pumping out the water to the top of the tank is 5.425 kilojoules. So that's the work in pumping the water above certain depth. So that should be out. So the idea is it is full work in pumping out the tank, then minus the work done in pumping the remaining liquid. So that's the work done in pumping out the volume above the remaining water. So first, by integration, limits would be y to 1.2, where y is the remaining depth, so they are equal. X square is 1.2y by squared property of parabola, y as to x square equals 1.2 as to 1.2 square, so x square is 1.2y. So this is 5.425 rather, equals 9.81 pi times 1.2 integral 0 from d to 1.2 x square 1.2y. We factor out 9.81 pi. Then quantity 1.2 minus y. You can evaluate this easily. So 6 divided by 9.81 pi, that's a value. Integral of 1.2 square y dy is 1.2 square over 2, so that's 0.72 y square. While the integral of negative 1.2 y square dy is 1.2 over 3 y cube. So 1.2 over 3 is 0.4 y cube. So 6 divided by 9.81 pi, and we have 0.72 y squared minus 0.4 y cubed from d to 1.2. So evaluate 6 over 9.81 pi. Let's evaluate this manually. So 0.19468 equals 0.72 of 1.2 square upper limit minus 0.4 of 1.2 cube minus lower limit 0.72 d square minus 0.4 d cube. Simplifying, we have positive 0.4 d cube minus 0.72 d square plus 0.15092, where 0.15092 is 0.72 1.2 squared minus 0.4 1.2 cube minus 0.194685. Using your high-tech calculator, it is capable of evaluating roots of even quartic function. This is just third degree. We have 3 expected roots and we only answer the possible root. So among the roots, this is the possible answer because this is less than 1.2. One root is greater than 1.2, so it is absurd. So it is 0.5492 manually. So the second solution is work is equal to work in pumping out all the water full minus work in pumping out the liquid, the remaining liquid. So that's the work done in pumping the liquid above that remaining liquid. So or 6 is 9.81, then volume of full tank is volume of of paraboloid of revolution, pi over 2, radius square 1.2 square, height 1.2. Then the center of gravity to the point of disposal is 1/3 of 1.2, remember? So minus, imagine we have a remaining paraboloid of depth d. So specific weight of water, volume of remaining paraboloid is pi over 2 x square, where x square is 1.2y and y is d, times y, which is d. So that's the volume left. Then distance of center of gravity to the point of disposal above. Since this is 1/3, take note, if that's a paraboloid, center of gravity is 1/3 from the base, 1/3 of y from the base, 1/3 of depth from the base. So therefore, the center of gravity of the remaining volume is 2/3 of the depth. So if that is 2/3 of the depth, and this is 1.2, distance therefore is 1.2 minus this one, 2/3 of the depth. So volume, 9.81 pi over 2, 1.2 d, where 1.2 d is radius square, x square, then times depth, d also, remaining depth, which is that y there, then distance to the point of disposal, quantity 1.2 minus 2/3 depth. Simplifying, so 6 equals 10.651, then minus 9.81 times pi over 2 times 1.2 times 1.2 d square is negative 22.190 d square, while negative 9.81 pi over 2 1.2 d square times negative 2/3 d is positive 12.328 d cube. So rearranging 12.328 d cube minus 22.190 d square plus 4.651 equals 0. Again, using your high-tech calculator, there are three roots, but the acceptable root is the one that is less than 1.2, and that is 0.5492 meter also. So that's it for this video.